Welcome, from MEIZU 16th, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. Now I'll also mention that this process will not remove a screen lock. You do need to know it to actually proceed further with it, so you'll see that soon enough. Now once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both the keys at the same time. And when you see the MEIZU logo, let go. From here, deselect the update the system and select wipe data. Press on start, and as you can see, now prompts me to put in my PIN. So I'm gonna put in my PIN and the process will begin. Now at this stage I'm pretty sure that it's a fairly quick one, and once it's finished, it looks like the device reboots, and then it continues it in the background. So this will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.